Hey there, welcome back to Taste and Flavors. Today I have for you a very easy and a quick starter or a snack recipe called the chicken nuggets. Crispy from the outside and extremely tender and juicy from the inside, they're a perfect delight. So if you like what you see so far, then please keep on watching the video. Also have a look at the description box for the exact ingredients and measurements. The first step is to form a few breadcrumbs. Now if you already have a packet that you've purchased, that's fine, but I've just shown you a quick version that you can just take any bread of your choice, tear it in a few pieces and in a blender just sort of run it for about a minute, stopping in between, and you get your fresh breadcrumbs which are absolutely ready to be used later on. Now the second step is to pat dry the chicken. So I have chicken breast here. You can take any boneless piece if you want. You can use chicken thigh or chicken breast, any of those sorts. Now using a paper towel or any kitchen cloth, you can just sort of pat it and make sure that you dry the entire chicken. So we need to get rid of any excess water. Now in the same blender, I'll be adding in these chicken pieces and I'll run it in the blender. So you have your homemade chicken keema, the mince, which is absolutely fresh and perfect for the nuggets, ready. Now here you can see the texture of this mince of the chicken. It's so fine. To this I've added in about 2 tablespoons of a chopped onion, a teaspoon of chili, garlic and ginger paste, a bit of salt and pepper. For the exact measurements, you can have a look at the description box below. So there's a link to my website. You can have a look and read all the entire ingredients in the process. Once it is all really well combined and it is perfectly mixed, all you need to do is sort of grease your hands a bit before you form the nuggets, because the chicken tends to stick to your palm. And just take about a tablespoon of the filling and using your hands shape it in any shape that you desire. I have made these sort of drop type of shapes because that is how I like my nuggets to look like. You can make rectangles or circles or flat tikkies type, however you desire. So once this is ready like this and you've formed all your nuggets, now here I have a mix of some corn flour, a bit of all-purpose flour and some salt. I'm going to mix this entire thing well, and I've taken 1 egg and I've added in just a bit of salt, and I'm going to beat this really well. This is all of that we're going to use further. Now here, first thing that you have to do is sort of dip your nugget into the dry mixture that we have prepared. Once it is already well coated, just keep it aside and let it rest. So what happens is this really helps in getting a nice crispy sort of a layer and also helps it to stand in place. Next, using a fork, I have placed the nugget into the egg mixture, and now the breadcrumbs that we prepared earlier, I'm going to pat it all over and just see how beautiful this is. So if you're preparing it for any festival, for a party or something, you can create batches like this and freeze it as well. Just thaw it once before you shallow fry these. So I've shallow fried the chicken nuggets. Also what I've done is that I kept it in the freezer for at least 15 minutes before I went ahead to fry it. Once you put it in hot oil, do not touch it until it turns and catches this nice golden brown color, or else they will break. So that's a good trick, and please keep that in mind that you do not touch it. Once it is perfectly cooked from both the sides, just take it off on a paper towel. Here your chicken nuggets are absolutely ready to be served. I've just broken one of this. I can't even explain you guys how juicy it was and how tasty it is. It is very juicy inside, crispy outside. A perfect starter, a snack for any party that you have. So I hope that you will like this recipe and that you will give it a try. Do let me know what you think about it. Thanks a lot for joining me for this video today. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment and follow me on my other social media handles. Links to all of this would be in the description box below. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.